Welcome back everyone to the Neeley Fam channel. Today we are doing my most requested video ever, the house tour. It's finally here. So not everything is done in the house yet, not everything is decorated, but I'm gonna show you what we have going. Okay, so this is right when you walk in. Got the stairs over here with a little gate to keep Harlow from going up them. Then we walk through the hallway. This is our office, except for it doesn't have any doors right now. So right now we just have this in here temporarily, like our toys and piano. But this is kind of like a full view of like what the room is. We're gonna put black French doors right here. And then those are gonna come in a couple of weeks. They're not on yet. Then you walk through the hallway, have this cute little entryway. I have to still like decorate this better. This is not how it's gonna look in the final. Okay, and right here's the basement door, and then you come into the living area. Got this beautiful high ceiling and pretty windows. This is my favorite part of the house. These windows are like really what sold me, but they didn't each cost extra, so that's great. This is our cute little console. Our TV, which I'm actually thinking of putting a bigger TV here, and eventually we want to do something to this whole space, like make it like an accent wall with a little fireplace, but we're not sure yet. And then in the corner for now, we have Harlow's ball pit for her to play with. And then this is my coffee table, our cute couch. Fix the lighting. It's kind of harsh lighting right now. And then you walk into the kitchen and we got this cute bar stools. And we're going for the black and white look. I'm changing out these pendants soon. Not sure what we do yet. This is our kitchen. Give you a little walk around. Got our flour, sugar, our bowls, our stove, sink, got the black sink. Everything is kind of like a black and white vibe here. Got our fridge. It was supposed to be black, but it's freaking gray. It makes me mad, so I'm mad. Harlow's high chair. It's my air purifier, probably won't be there forever. And then this is our cute table and chairs. So table and chairs, I added that light fixture as well myself. It did not come standard. And then we got the cute sliding door. I'm like saying everything is cute, but I just love my house. Sliding door, 3-panel, which is nice. I need to fix the outside door because Hudson's been messing with it. This is the view from the kitchen. And then back here, nothing special. This is just the entrance from the garage over here. So we're gonna probably put like do some sort of shelving or something here for like a little, is it a wet room or something? This is the downstairs bathroom. It's very basic. We are actually planning on like redoing the whole thing. We're probably gonna do like a whole different vanity, different mirror, and then we're retiling this. This is like what came standard and I hate it, honestly. So we're gonna tile this. I might just do some cute like black and white checkered. I don't really know, but this is the bathroom right now. And then this area, I might make it like a little drink space and make it cute over here. Eventually maybe I'll get a pebbled ice machine. Something fun right here, but right now it's just kind of like, this is like, that is like Hudson's junk drawer. So gotta change that. And then this is the pantry. It's decently organized, not bad. This is the sweets, cereals, and I have some like crackers in here too. This is my chip area and Hudson's like power bars and stuff. Baking right here, and then there's flour on the floor. Drink area right now, I have all of my mixers organized. That's her time, her power, her love, her greens, and then like other miscellaneous ones. And then we have our tea and juice. This is just like random like nuts, butters, and bread, vinegars, and like sauces and stuff like that. This is noodles and rice, cans, Harlow section. Harlow's got her food, her formula, snacks, and then packets of food in here. And then like these are bags and extra storage for food and like water and stuff. And that's our Instant Pot we haven't used yet. So that's our little pantry. I will also be adding all of these links into the description below. So just you'll be able to shop all the furniture and all the different things in here if you're interested. Like I said before, this is the door to the basement. I won't show you the basement because it's not finished. That's literally just like an empty space, but this is the basement. Have some stuff stored right here. Okay, then moving upstairs. This is a coat closet, which don't need to see, nothing special. This is going up the stairs. This is our loft. It is a little bit messy right now. There's not much going on here. This is gonna move. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this bench yet. I got this bench, and I don't know what to do with it, but it's cute. Maybe I'll put it outside, I don't know. Okay, and then to the left is the main bedroom. So Jacob and I's bedroom. It has this like little mini hallway thing right here that Jacob hates. And then this is our room. So I got this beautiful bed, and I have my weighted blanket, our nightstands. We have these curtains which are too long, so we're eventually gonna cover this window, fix our curtains. And then on this side, it's all just like sitting on the floor. This TV doesn't even work, so we're gonna get a new TV. I'm gonna get a dresser right here. This is junk. So it'll be a little bit cuter in here, but that's what we kind of got going on right now. Eventually, we'll probably do some like detailing on the walls. I'm gonna change this light out right here and make it cuter. Okay, and then this is our bathroom, so the master bathroom. We have some gray cabinets. That's me. We've got double sinks. These lights, we're probably gonna do something here, do double mirrors, and we have just some renovations we're gonna do, and that's a brand new house. We just wanna change it up. This is our shower and our bath. Got a nice window here. This is the same flooring in the downstairs bathroom that I absolutely despise. I hate it. So we're gonna retile this entire area in our bathroom. So this will be a different tile. I'm thinking of just like a white marble. And then this is our closet. Pretty basic, pretty boring. We're gonna have to add some extra shelving because there's just not enough, and it's hard for us to share this closet. And then this is the bathroom. Basic little bathroom. Like I said, we'll be retiling all of this, so it'll be a lot cuter. And we're gonna add like detailing on the walls. So we still have like a lot of projects that we have to do in here, which is exciting. Okay, and this is the kids' bathroom. Pretty basic. Just a basic shower. The shower curtain with gray cabinets. That's me. The flooring again, hate it. Will be changing. But I do like having the black features. I just want to make that shower head black, and I'll probably put a black like rod on here to make it more cohesive, and a black sink. Next on the hall, first bedroom on the right, this is our extra bedroom. So this is an office for now. It's messy because this is where Jacob's been working. So it's a little bit dirty. So our printer's in here, our cute chair, love this chair. This desk Jacob's been using, but we have our guest mattress right here, which like eventually this will be a little bit more cohesive. Closet, there's nothing in that. So yeah, this is where Jacob's been working. It's the smallest bedroom in the house, so that's why we've made it the office. And then from here is the laundry room. It's gonna be really messy. Nothing exciting. We still have boxes that we need to move out. Yeah, so this is our laundry room. We're gonna be retiling this again, so we have a lot to retile. But eventually probably do like some kind of built-ins here or something like that. Okay, and then this is Hudson's room. He has this little dresser here, this big boy bed, this basketball hoop. This room, we're trying to decide what to do with it. He doesn't know if he wants to do like space or like sharks. So this is his room. He has this like play center here, but we probably will move it because there's not a ton of room. But he has like all of his little books here. He loves to read, so, well, he, not always lately, but he loves books. This is my favorite part, look at this. He took this picture of Harlow when she was a newborn, and he keeps it here still, it's so cute! And he wanted a little desk, because he said he had to do homework. So he has like some of his favorite like little collector things. He has a salt lamp, this is a nightlight. And then he has like different crystals, Pokemon cards, all sorts of things. And then this is his closet, right there. Pretty messy, so it won't look. And then his bed obviously isn't made, has tons of stuffed animals on it. But he likes being up high, he like loves that. And then this is little Harlow's room. It isn't complete yet. It's like, I'm gonna have to change out the light because it's kind of like a yellow tint. So, yes, this is her little chair, which, like I said, we haven't rearranged the room yet. I feel like this chair doesn't fit anymore, so probably gonna get rid of it and then keep her cute little chair here. Not here, but put it somewhere else in the room. And then we're definitely gonna do some floating bookshelves. Right now we have this blanket covering her window because we're waiting to get shades. So we'll have like a blackout, like just shade here, and then obviously her curtains. This is her cute little crib, has her lamb in it, her sleep sack, got the trash can, the camera, her cute little mirror, her butterfly mirror, changing table, her dresser, and then this is her closet. It's not organized right now, but this is what it's looking like. There's still stuff from like our old house up there that I don't know if I'm gonna use it on the walls. I think I'm gonna put her name on the wall. I'm not quite sure, but she has these little cubbies with like her shoes in it and stuff. But that is her room. This is my favorite, is this light. So cute. Her room is butterfly themed, but like I said, I think I'm gonna put like her name on the wall or something cute right here. I used to have flowers and butterflies. Now they need to do butterflies and then her name, but I'm not sure yet. And this is a view from the upstairs looking down. And that's Harlow whining in the background. This actual wall we might take out and put railing. We just haven't done it yet. We might put railing at the front. What ideally I would love to get rid of all this carpet and do like laminate. So maybe when we can afford it, we'll do it, but that's it for now. But we have all these pretty windows up here. So many windows in this house, which is really nice. And that is it for the house tour. Please make sure to like and subscribe and let us know in the comments what you want us to do next.